YouTube. We out here at the backside of the park. I was gonna go to the skate park over there, but there's a bunch of kids and shit over there, so we're just gonna have fun back here on this little track thing right here. We'll drive on this, and then back here's a little field behind me. We'll mess with that after. I'm waiting for the homie Carlos to pull up, so we can get into some fun. This shit's low, so it doesn't go on high grass, and it slides a lot, so I gotta make sure I keep it on the ground on this little track thing. Right back over there is a field, open field with uneven dirt and jumps. We're gonna go to that after. I'm just waiting for him to pull up and come over here and set his shit up. It's actually kind of fun right here. Oh, it's hard to keep it on there. It's real slidey because it's rear-wheel drive. That should be getting stuck. Yeah, it's hella low. It doesn't really move too much on this shit. I want to raise it up. I want to put higher shocks, but it rides real good like this. So fuck, I don't know. I might just leave it. This thing be swerving. Watch out for this bike. I don't know where homie's at, but I'll start filming. I can't wait. So I'll play right here for a bit, and then I'm gonna go to the open field. Probably put some of this shit away because I don't want to leave it right here. There's a lot of shit going on at this park right now. But let's drive. It's hard to hit full throttle right here on this. It's like some sandy type of gravel stuff. Don't get stuck, I was about to say. I don't know if like going over to get it. Gotta cruise. It's actually kind of a challenge. This car is pretty wide. This is an old, like 15-year-old, I forget what it's called. I gotta look it up, I keep forgetting. I had it on my phone, I gotta grab my phone. Some Invader or something, I can't even think right now. Like from 10, 15 years ago. I like it. It's one of my favorites out of all my cars. Something about the rear-wheel drive, it just makes it real fun. Here comes the homie, he just pulled up, so he got the WL and the Relardo. We're gonna be out here. I'm pretty sure we're gonna go in that field back there. Getting in some little runs, like getting used to. Oh. We stuck. Oh, we gotta go get it. Damn, grass is hella thick over there. Damn it. We'll get it right now. Hold on, let me see. Damn cars. This grass is hella thick. Smashing. Oh shit. Oh, there's a little jump right there. Oh shit. These little jump. All right, we out here. Yeah, it's actually cool. It's a new little spot right here. If we don't want to go on the other side, I like all this off-road shit. Oh, there's a jump right there, that grass hill. Oh, I'm hitting that. You see it? Right here, nigga. Look it. Oh, it looks like a jump. It's just grass. Oh, I got excited. Look how it goes up like that. It looks like a jump. Oh, got a jump thing right there. You hit these sideways like this.
Flip my shit, bro. Holy shit.
I guess you're gonna be flipping it. You supposed to put the ramp, sir, so we can hit that motherfucker. Probably put it in the middle right there, like right after the little wiggly part, so we can just, where it's flat. Like, probably like right here. So we can just hit it from there on. Or wherever, yeah, it don't matter. Right there's flat too, yep. Just drive it the right side.
That's gonna roll up in a little bit.
Ooh, I almost had to flip if I would have stayed in it. I was scared. I don't want to break my body again, but this body's doo-doo, cuz I'm trying to be cheap for a while. My girl's like, you keep buying RCs. I'm like, I can't pass them up. It's like the dudes I see that began cars that are like projects, so like, I gotta revive it. That's how I feel about the RCs. They sitting there hella old, looking hella sad. Put some beef in there and ride that motherfucker. Ooh, shit. Oh, I got it. It's too hot. Man, you gotta get your fucking Rolando. That little boy, he hanging on for his dear life. You gonna break a control arm or something out in this shit. Oh. I think so. Do it again. This shit keep rolling over, bro. Excuse me. This shit's dead. I don't know. It's like hella lumpy. I don't know why it keeps flipping over. It's made for this shit. Let's go. Man, are you serious? You just gonna crack my shit, bro. That shit not gonna flip. Doing the same shit I'm doing. I should keep doing the same shit. I don't know if this dirt's too grippy or something. Let me see. Kind of fun jumping the side little humps.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's tugging. Come on.
All kinds of stuff.
This is too much in the hole, I think. Oh, that's a jump right there at the tip. Should take it slow. Oh, you should have kept going. I would have probably flipped back over. Oh, the camera. I gotta do it again. It's going to another segment.
shit.
Why do they keep doing that on this damn dirt? This is why I want to get a bigger scale monster truck, like an 8th or 5th scale, so we can just, like my nitro ones will not flip like that. It would mob through all this shit because they got 4 shocks and they're hella gangster. Yeah. I never had a 10th scale. I've always had 8th or I don't think I've ever had 5th, but I've had 8th for sure. 8th and 7th scale. I'm still looking out for a bigger monster truck. I want to get a bigger monster truck. I'm not getting rid of this though. Oh, you dick. Flip me over. We might be able to flip it right there. But the ramp might stop it. Damn it. It's good.
Okay,
Alright, we back at it. This fucking camera's been playing with me lately. We out here mobbing. My body cracked again, so. Are you serious? Go, can you flip me? I think you can give me that time. Yo, ass hella high. They slapping over there. Oh, damn it. Why is it being stupid? Fuck. See, if I had my son, we had the flipper. He ain't coming with it. We got to hire us a little kid to flip the car just now. Like, hey, we'll give you $10 an hour or $15 an hour. Just have him run and flip the cars, and eventually give him a fucking RC car. My shit hanging off, see? Something hanging out. My battery. My battery was hanging out. Let me see if I can fix it real quick. Cause that's not good.
What happened? It broke?
No, it's the straps broke last time, so I have it kind of in there, but not really. But it just came out. Probably from hitting those backflips and shit. It's good though. Didn't really drag it or nothing. It's not fucked up. I need to get me some new straps. I used my extra spare ones. You should have some at your house, but I used my extra spare ones on the new car, so I don't have any more straps. So I kind of just got it like this in here, like that. That's it. Quick bing bang boom. We back at it. The body's beat up, but there's nothing I could do about it, so we mobbing. My bad, this video's all over the place. Came out here to have a little fun. You know, the RCs don't always cooperate. You can't control what happens, so every RC person has some dilemma. Oh shit. Are we good? We back out here. It's still on? Huh?
Let me see. No.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
It'll have to be blanket beyond though. I gotta check it out. Oh, that was nice. Oh.
Glad I landed it.
Say oh, first time today, finally, bro.
Yeah, let me try to roll up before it.
Go ahead. We usually get the